Hello, namaste. Welcome to QBasic tutorial. Okay, our last program was this. Okay, our program was to find two things in a single interpreter. That means single program to find two or three things. That is the main concept of modular programming. Okay, so till now what I taught you is to find the using sub and sub to find the area of four wall, area of circle, area of rectangle. Okay, but this process we did by passing parameter here. Okay, by passing parameter. See, and there is another method also to find without passing parameter. Okay, to find without passing parameter inside declare statement. So to find this, there is a bit different way to find. So just please, I'm going to show you here. Just please, you just concentrate how I will do here. Okay, so my program I will to calculate average of three numbers. Okay, now see, first of all, as I told you that there will be declare statement. After declare, there will be main module. Inside main module, what we do, we just use input statement to input the variable which is needed in our program, and we use call statement. Yeah, but in a program, if we do program using sub in sub without using parameter, then it is like this. Okay, so first of all, we use here declare sub any name here. I will give xyz, and there is nothing. This is the syntax of declare. Okay, now cls. Now when we do our program using without using parameter, in that case we have to use input statement inside sub module. Yes, inside sub module. That means here we use only call xyz, no bracket. If we cannot use bracket also, okay, that will be error. So like this. Now in then sub module sub xyz, and now here we use input enter first number. I will write use here variable a. Sorry. Okay, now another second number, enter second number, uh, variable b, then enter number, variable c. Now see, after input we use a formula now. So here average. Yeah, so I will use here av. Average means what? Sum of all number divided by total number. So their number is 3, so sum of their three numbers divide by 3, because I want to find the average of three number. That means their sum divided by total number, that means 3. Okay, like this. If I want to find the average of two number, means a plus b divided by 2. Average of four number means a plus b plus c plus d divided by 4. But we must use inside bracket this a plus b plus c. Okay, if we don't give, then we don't get correct output. So after using this, we use print statement. I want to find average. The average of three number equal to what variable I have used here. I have used here ab, so ab. Now in sub. Now see here, this is very easy way. Okay, so now let's execute this program. Suppose I will give 5 5 enter 10 enter 15, average is 10. We have got the correct output. Okay, one more thing I will say. Suppose if I give you a bracket, okay, let's try. See, we have got error, so there won't be any bracket. And here, if we give bracket also, see here, okay, no problem here, okay. And if we don't give also, no problem, okay. Now how it will work here? So one thing we have to remember that suppose if these three thing, suppose these three thing, if I use here in like in previous when we did using a parameter by passing parameter, we have used input statement in this after CLS, yeah, inside main module. Suppose if I use here, then what will happen? Let's see, F5. Suppose I will execute this program. I will give 5, enter 10, enter 15, enter C. I have got here 0. Okay, so this is wrong way. So if I don't use parameter, in that case we have to use input statement inside submodule. That means it is very easy way. All program, if we don't use parameter, it's become very easy. Declare CLS call in, then this is our simple input, process output, and after this completion of this submodule, it will go after this line, that means int. Okay, it's very easy. And one two things I want to say here. So in analytical question, it may ask, does the program execute if we don't use this declare statement? Yes, obviously yes. If we don't use this statement also, our program will get execute. Okay, either we pass parameter or we don't pass parameter, no problem. But if we don't use declare statement also, our program will execute. See here, yes, we have got the answer. And another thing also, see here, I can use single input statement also. Okay, like this, enter 3 numbers. See, 3 variable we have to use together, separated with comma. Okay, we must have to use comma here. If we don't use comma, there will be error. So see, first variable is A, second one is B, third one is C. That means first value will store in A variable, second value will store in B variable, third value will store in C variable. Now let's execute this program again. Start. 5 comma. Now see one thing here. If we use like this, then we have to give value together. Before what? 5 enter I have used, 10 enter I have used, yeah? But here we have to use 5 comma 10 comma 15. See, like this we have to give while giving our value. Suppose if I don't give like this, see, suppose if I use here like this, 10 enter, see, not, we have got wrong answer, yeah? If I use like this, 2 space 3 to like this, then also it is mistake, yeah? That means what, we have to give comma, then only we will get the desirable output. Okay, so 1 comma 2 comma 3, because I have used here comma. Okay, now another thing, see, inside this double quotation we have to use the meaningful logical message. I can use directly like this also. I can use, suppose I can use result equal to double quote. That means inside double quote, whatever you write in print statement, you will get same. Suppose if I run here, let's see 3 comma 4 comma 5, result equal to 4, because inside double quote we have used result equal to, yeah, and this 4 means this AB value, that means this value 4. Okay, If I give you a result is, then what we will get? We will get result is 4. Okay, that means whatever you write there, you will get the same thing. Here also, whatever you write inside this, you will get the same message. Okay, so okay, another program also I will do. Suppose I want to find the volume of to volume of cylinder. Okay, cylinder formula also I will write here. Volume equal to pi r square. That means pi value we know, r square as r in r into r into h. Here this r means radius, this h means height. Okay, so I will do this by without using parameter. That means, so here declare so give any name here. I will give it on. Okay, now no parameter. Okay, if we don't use parameter, then inside main module we just only use call then dawn only, no bracket also. Okay, now in our program is main module has been completed. Now sub module sub done enter. Okay, now see, here we do all these three things: input also, formula also, print also. So input, first of all input. Okay, now see here, to find the volume of cylinder, what variable we need radius. What data we need radius, and we need height of cylinder. So I will write here enter radius and height of cylinder. In together I am writing this. Radius means r, height is h I have used here. Okay, now use formula. Let, as I told you, let is optional. If we don't use let also, no problem. Now volume, I will use here vol. Okay, that is a variable which will store the result. Vol equal to 22 upon 7 into pi into r square. R, see here this cap 2, that means r square. Okay, if I use here 3, then r cube. If I use here 4, then r power. That means this is power. This means power exponential. Okay, r square h. Now print, just give some logical message. That means I want to find the volume of cylinder, so I will use here volume of cylinder equal to VOL, because I have used here VOL variable, the same variable we have used here. Otherwise we will not get the answer, we will get 0 answer. Okay, now after print we complete our sum module. Okay, now let's execute this program. Run, start. If I give your 7 radius comma, okay, comma, height is 5, I will give volume of cylinder equal to 770. Okay, we have got the correct answer. Okay, thank you student. Please don't forget to give feedback and stay safe, study well, and be happy. Thank you.